Let's do a medley.
Raindrops falling from the rooftop. Oh baby, tell me why you have to go, 'cause this pain I'm feeling won't go away. And today I'm officially missing. Another turning point, folks stuck in the road. Come grab your part and risk directs you where to go. So don't make the best of this chance and don't ask why. It's not a question but a lesson learned in time. It's something unpredictable, in the end it's right. I hope you have the time of your life. As we turn out the light, the two of us alone together, something's just not right. But girl, you know that I will never ever let another touch come between the two of us, 'cause no one else will ever take your place. No one else come close to you. No one makes me feel the way you do. Oceans apart, day after day, as we slowly go insane. I hear your voice all the time, and then it